good to work. Now, if you ask me, a company that could be good to work for you guys could be a company that is basically not a captive unit of a business, but a company that ideally provides services to a lot of clients in data science, so that you get a really great exposure there. You work with 100 other data scientists alongside you and you get to learn really fast. The way all of these companies that I told you the names of, these are all that kind of companies. These are basically third-party vendors in data science. So they are like a group of 400, 500, 600 employees in a company, and all are data scientists. And that company is providing services to other bigger names like Microsoft, Coca-Cola, HUL, Unilever, Hindustan Unilever, basically, or Procter and Gamble, or Amazon. That level, those kinds of companies, they have as their clients. And this company is like a great place to learn for you, because they provide a great training, great opportunity for you to connect with data science professionals and be at the top of the industry standards from that perspective. So those could be the ones. And honestly, these, Mansi, I think you were asking about data science recruitment consulting companies, right? Like, I honestly, like, I don't remember the exact names of these kinds of consulting companies because they're very tiny consulting companies. Like, suddenly one HR left her job after working for 5 years, and then she has started something from her name, right? Let's say Mansi Consultants, and then like Mansi Human Capital Consultants. So usually, like, I don't remember a lot of these names. They're not a lot of structured player like that, but I can definitely, I'll give you guys a few name if I come up with. But most of the times these are very tiny places, right? These are just consultants. Basically, it could be a single person company also. They're just saying that, okay, yeah, we we do consulting into data science, but what they do is basically there's just one or two people who scout people on LinkedIn and get their profile and call them up and then fix them up with some clients. But the best bet, I would say the best bet you have, much better than that consultant wala approach. The better approach is improve your LinkedIn profile, improve your Naukri profile, improve your resume. These three things.